this is Sharif for Just Nailed It, and today, I know this is kind of late in the season to be showing this, but these are the Neons by Modelones for the year 2020. We're going to open this box and check these out. You can get these off Amazon or directly off the Modelones website. Here is the back of the box, non-toxic, easy to use, long-lasting. This is always great. Yeah. Great. I do love the company. Let's see, inside you get free gift. Contact us to claim your free gift information on the back. So here's the claim your free gift. This is the typical insert it comes with. We have got 6 beautiful colors: purple, blue, green, yellow, red, and orange, which is going to be pink. Let me check these out. Oh, let me pause as I'll get these out of the package. Alrighty, I am back here. Alright, whoops. The 6 beautiful colors in front of you. We're going to check and see if this is a pink. Oh yes, look at that. That is great. I know this is the end of the year, end of the summer season, in the middle of September. But this will be great for October for breast cancer awareness. You could use the purple, the green, and the orange for Halloween. So, you know, this is something great to think about. We are going today to swatch these babies out for you so we can see their true colors. I have got some swatch sticks set up to the side. This is, see, purple. Oh, let me turn my light on. Hello. And let me see, this is 0, 3, 1. We're only going to do, hopefully, 1 coat. Yeah, these would definitely need a second coat. But we're not going to do a second coat today. We're only going to do the one. Let you see their colors. If you do these over white, it will make them pop. If you would like to see a video of me performing these over white, I can do so. Drop me a comment below, DM me on Instagram, tell me. I want to see Modelones Neons over white. I can hurry and throw a video up of that. They do self-level, as always. Modelones is a great product. Great product. I am, I guess you call it an ambassador for them. I do have a 10% off code that I'll put across the bottom of the screen. This is the blue, and also it's always in the description box. Always check people's description boxes for important information. All their discount codes for different companies, different brands. Any links they may think you need, that's where you'll find them. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please click the bell, and you'll get notified of all future videos. Let me see. Check out Modelones. They do have a page here on YouTube. Check them out on Instagram. This is the yellow. This is one that's going to look great over white, just as well as the orange and pink. Well, they all will actually, but neon yellow is just always a great color over white. Always a great color. Beautiful, beautiful color. You can use these for a lot of different nail arts. You could. I got an itch. 2 more to go. Here's this beautiful pink I talked about for breast cancer awareness. Let me see these a minute. I didn't show you the number of each one, but these are all numbered 031 through 036. This is 035, I believe. 035. Beautiful, beautiful pink. I will be using this next month in October. I got a couple different breast cancer collaborations coming up. Switch these up in here. We are down to our last color. And that is the orange. I think I might actually wear this one too. Only time will tell. Sorry if I'm out of frame just a tad bit there. Yeah, this will be great over white as well. The orange, our last and final color. Let's see if I can move these around a little bit. I'm going to cure them for a full 60 seconds and we shall return. Alrighty, we are back. Excuse me. We have got our beautiful pink nail. I did top coat these off camera. Beautiful pink. The blue. Remember, these are only one coat. A lot of different things you could do with these nails still left for the year. I am going to be using these for probably Halloween and the breast cancer awareness collaborations I'll be doing. There's a couple of those coming up in October. A beautiful orange. And purple. Love the purple, because I'm a purple kind of girl. Loving the blue. Well, I love all of them for different reasons, but I love that blue. I'm really loving on the green. I think that would be really pretty. You could use that with black for Halloween. Many different things you could do. Well, I have swatched these. I have come. I have conquered. Please subscribe to my channel, click the bell as always, and click all. That way you get notified of all future uploads. And let's see what else. There's still ladies out there that are in great need of watch time. The links will be in the description box down below. Make sure you check them out. You can always play my videos, my playlists, my She Modern, my acrylics, and my docu-series. Any of those three, I'd greatly appreciate the watch time for those. What else? What else? What else? I think that's about it. Have yourself a blessed day, and thank you.